Hello, I'm Seema Rajpal and you're watching Straight Up by edX Live. Today, July 22nd, the Supreme Court resumed hearing petitions related to the National Eligibility-cum-Entrance Test for Undergraduate NEET UG irregularities. Paper leaks, malpractices, mismanagement, 67 top rankers, 7 toppers from one center. Many allegations were raised by the petitioners, which the bench led by CJI D.Y. Chandrachud was hearing. The main contention is whether the exam irregularities were widespread enough to conduct re-NEET, which is the primary demand of most students. We bring you the highlights from the case. Number 1. The National Testing Agency, the test conducting body, informed that students at 8 centers received the wrong booklet. At a few centers, only midway through the exam, coordinators realized this mishap. Hence, the paper was changed, which is why grace marks were given to make up for the loss of time. Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India, himself said, and I quote, "According to me, it was not a correct decision," unquote. Point number 2. The situation at Jhajjar and Sikar took center stage during this hearing. For example, it was pointed out that at Sikar, Rajasthan, 8 students scored above 700, 69 above 650, 115 above 600 and 241 above 550. Representing the petitioners, senior advocate Narendra Huda pointed out issues like no clarity on when the OMR sheets are sealed, time gap between the exam and the deposit of OMR sheets, lack of address verification and more, establishing the fact that lack of standard operating procedures has led to the systematic failure of the exam. After which the court questioned if they should be digressing from the topic of paper leaks to systematic failures. Regarding one particular question, where marks were given for both options, the Supreme Court has directed the director of IIT Delhi to form a 3-member expert committee to ascertain the right answer and get back by tomorrow noon, July 23rd. Request for a retest for at least the candidates who qualified the NEET UG was also presented before the justices. Senior advocate Sanjay Hegde said, and I quote, "Can we say everybody got marks which they were fairly entitled to? A competitive exam turning out 61 toppers cannot be trusted," unquote. The matter will be taken up again tomorrow for hearing. That's all we have for you today. We will see you again tomorrow. Till then, mask up and stay safe.